Hello guys and welcome back to VIVAIA. Today's video will be a Christmas get ready with me to get this look, and this video is in collaboration with VIVAIA, which is a sustainable shoe company. They have sent me 2 pairs of shoes which I have reviewed over the last few months, and I'm so excited to share with you guys. VIVAIA is a high-quality shoe brand specializing in sustainability, and each one of their shoes are made from 6 recycled plastic bottles. They've also been featured in Vogue and InStyle. This is the pointed toe Aria Wedge. It comes in 7 different colors and 16 different sizes. This is in the color Almond and I got an 8.5 or 39. My favorite features are this heel padding that prevents blisters, the soft foam insole, the wedge heel which makes it very easy to wear, and a yoga mat insole. This is the square toe water repellent bootie. It comes in 15 different colors and 9 sizes. This is in the color black and again in the size 8.5 or 39. The style is Regina and it's a mid-ankle bootie on an architectural and comfortable 2-inch block heel, which is still very comfortable for everyday use. It is super versatile and I can wear it in any occasion during any season. It is breathable, anti-slip, and comfortable for wearing over long periods of time. VIVAIA offers free shipping and returns, and don't forget to use my code VLOVE for 10% off, and right now they're offering an extra discount for Christmas using the code XMIS for 20% off. So don't forget to check out VIVAIA, and let's get on with the video. Before I start my makeup, I always put a serum on to moisturize my skin. So this is the Propolis Light Ampoule with propolis extract from creds. You can really see how it gives me a slight sheer glow right underneath my makeup. Next, I'm taking the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, and it comes with a small silicone spatula. I'm just taking that and hydrating my lips before putting on any products. Next, I'm going in with the Rare Beauty Concealer in shade 150C, and I'm going ahead and applying that underneath my eyes in 2 different spots and on top of my eyelid to give a primer for my eyeshadow and lift my face. I'm going to go ahead and blend that all in with a damp beauty blender. I really like the Rare Beauty formula because after blended in, it looks like just part of the skin. Next, I'm gonna go ahead with this Moonshot cushion. It's like a compact with a mirror and it has SPF, so I use that as a little bit of sunscreen. It is a little bit darker than my winter shade, but I'm using very sheer coverage, and once blended out, it looks completely fine. It is in the shade 301 and it's called the Micro Glassy Fit Cushion. This is a Rare Beauty blush that I'm using. It's my most pigmented liquid blush and it's the shade Joy. So a technique I've used is to apply it on the palm of my hand and blend it out, and that way it gives me a lot more control, and then I go blend it out one more time with a wet beauty blender. Next, I'm using this peach setting powder from Skin Food. It comes with a little puff and a powder. After applying all my liquid products, I then go ahead with the setting powder to set the concealer, blush, and cushion. Next, I'm using this palette from Wake Make. It is their mixed blurring eye palette in number 3, Forest Brown, and I love it because it comes with the eyeshadow palette and a contour. So right now I'm taking the contour shade, which is called Woody Shade, and just contouring my nose. Now I'm taking this clear brow and lash mascara from e.l.f. just to set my brows. With the palette again, I'm going in with the eyeshadow The Earth for a light transition shade. Slowly going into a little bit of a deeper tone, I'm taking this matte shade Dry Leaf just to go all over my eyelid. Next, I'm taking the shade Firewood Brown and just putting that in my crease to deepen it. I like to do my eyeshadow from the lightest to darkest shade so I can build on the shadows. And then with the deepest shade in this palette, I'm using Cozy Forest to deepen my double eyelid. I did my eyeliner off camera, and the main theme I want for this Christmas look is glitter and sparkle. So I'm using the shade Tender Glow, which is a mix between the metallic normal shimmers and some jelly glitters, and this really helps my eyelids pop. I'm gonna go ahead and spread the glitter all over both eyelids. Next, I'm taking my Shiseido eyelash curler and just going ahead and curling both sets of eyelashes. And this is my Dr. Mascara Fixer, which is a curl or tinting fix in the shade Black from Etude House. And then I'm going to layer that with the Dior. So what I do is I use the Etude House one first, and this is like a glue that helps my eyelashes stay up all day. And since it's tinting, it already can make a big difference. Next, I'm using the Dior Overshadow Curl, and then this one just helps add volume, and you can really see the difference between the two layers. I wanted to go all out with the under eye glitter, so this is the Innisfree Twinkle Glitter, and then I just used that on the bottom half of my eye, just to the middle of my pupil. I'm going to go ahead and layer the Peri Para Sugar Twinkle in shade 01, and I'm putting that all over from the entire bottom eyelash line. And this is more of a chunky glitter, so it adds a nice effect on top of the Innisfree. For liquid highlight, I'm using Rare Beauty's Liquid Luminizer in the shade Mesmerize, and I'm putting that on the top of my cheekbones and on my nose. I like to blend out liquid highlight with my fingers, as I find the Beauty Blender takes and absorbs too much of the liquid. And to make sure my highlight is popping even more, this is a powder highlight. It's a Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb, and I just go over the exact same spots I place my highlighter, and you can really tell the difference it makes. And as a last step, I'm using this Juicy Lasting Tint from Romand in shade number 23, Nucademia, and I'm just blending that out with my fingers. And this is the final look. I'm really happy how I can see a bit of the eyeshadow peeking through the shimmers as well as my under eye makeup. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this Christmas get ready with me as much as I liked filming it. All the products and everything I use are linked down in the description, and thank you to VIVAIA for collaborating with me on this video. Don't forget to use my code VLOVE for 10% off and their code XMIS for 20% off. See you guys next time. Bye!